Hey, pizza.
Lopez, talk to me when you work 2 jobs.
Yeah, I know.
You ain't even work. He thinks this shit don't think because he's helping my neighbors like that. He's bullshit.
Hey, $100+ a day, can't go wrong.
Wow.
Damn it. That must be 100 pounds.
Yeah, what y'all want?
Oh, God.
Whoa. Whoa.
Y'all want them? Grab them.
Yeah, okay.
No.
Lay them out so we take a picture
Yeah,
of
just-
them.
If y'all don't care, lay them down. I want to take a picture real quick and you can have them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry,
There's
boss.
skip back in the bottom of the pool. Here. Throw them right over here.
Let's lay them on the ground.
You lay him on the ground.
Yeah.
Did y'all catch any skipjack?
Yeah, they're in the bottom of the boat. Bottom of the cooler.
Damn, how many you got?
A bunch.
How long y'all been out here?
We didn't start catching these.
Damn, I knew I shouldn't have told y'all my secret spot. Y'all keep y'all's asses at home from now on.
There ain't no fish left down there.
Nice fish. Nice.
There's some big ones. We got a couple of big bites right where we came in.
I guarantee you there is.
They're on the wall. The
Okay, let's take a photo de esa colita.
Yeah, beside the thing.
You want these skipjack?
Yes, sir.
Here, Lopez, I'll come help. Not, bud, I'm not.
Leave the skipjack in the bucket.
You are not my dad. You are
All
my
right.
little. My little.
Good job.
Hopefully y'all have a good feast, man.
Yeah.
Jerry's foot out over there.
Hey. You caught them all.
I didn't catch them all.
I'll take a picture if y'all both want to get in.
Yeah. Get up here, dude.
Breadcrumbs too, like fried.
Yeah.
Prepare it.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hope y'all enjoy. Thank you.
Good.
Right here, I'm coming.
We got the good old Lopez stance.
There is no.
I'm happy y'all caught some though. Now I ain't got to hear you bitch about having a
Hey.
black cloud. David knows exactly what I'm talking about.
He tore them up today.
Who caught most of them? Him or you?
Huh? Come on.
Good fish.
Huh?
Good.
Oh, that's what it's for. Don't put together doing
Enjoy them.
Yes, I go like slice.
this? Just grab.
Put a
Hey,
breadcrumb.
you got in
Prepare it. Season. Like sandwich. Yeah. Taco.
Forget about that time.
Come on, grab it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Maybe tonight, tomorrow, you can see it.
We're about to get wet anyway, so we said it's gonna.
Oh.
I hope so.
Come on.
Se me enteró una pinche de esa madre que
Y'all have fun. Love this guy now.
I forgot about one game playing.
It's alright.
Get it.
Alright, I'm going to catch some.
You want one?
No. Thank you. No. Thank you.
¿Quieres una más?
una pequeña.
I do, man. I'm about to.
Alright, y'all be safe.
Hey, have fun.
Hey, little motor done good to catch all them fish.
It did.
That's a sign not to get rid of it, David.
Bail for any?
Huh?
Yeah, no, my husband's going. Yeah,
Oh,
they're gonna
cool.
get it, yeah. Y'all don't want none?
Oh, no, we got to leave in the morning. I got to
We got to leave out 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all not locals?
Yeah, we're truck drivers.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. I was say, damn, you're not locals and y'all beating us locals.
Yeah, we're local.
No, no. My husband's gonna take everything to the cooler and then he's gonna.
You gotta keep them fishes too.
This movie, maybe tomorrow you can see it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Picture you're on camera.
Yeah. Thank you.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville, Tennessee.
And then get that tape. Get that tape.
No cachamos, pero nos regalan algo.
Them are some big ass catfish. Yeah, they're nice.
Vito, ¿cuál vas a querer tú?
Maybe take one of your sisters. I need that bag, the green bag. Oh, it's gonna go in the water. It's gonna go in the water.
No, it ain't.
Oh, shit.
Where's the other one?
Don't forget this one.
Is that his bag? We need a bag to put that stuff in. That's what I'm saying. We need that bag. Julie, come and get
Yes, good, 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 nice.
Julie, come and get this.
My hands are full. Mine is low.
I think this guy only give me one catfish. When I say you want catfish, one.
Yeah. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you.
See you too.
Y'all fishing pole.
Wow.
Fried.
Yeah, crab.
Fried.
Bluegill.
Valentina sauce.
Good.
You want to ask them if they want one? 'Cause that's a lot.
Maybe 2 months eating. 1 week. No, 2 months.
Yeah, but please do not fall.
No, Mama, don't.
He's giving Elena some too.
Give me my backpack.
Let me grab it. Come on.
Bye.
Bye, bye.